everyone, how are you today? I wish you all great news. I am Maria Delastranango from the campus of the University of Citra Bangsa Kupang, Health Faculty Undergraduate Pharmacy Study Program. Here, I would like to introduce you 15 pharmaceutical terms along with example in sentence. The first one is biologic. Biologic is a drug product produced from or by biological living organisms. These products are often referred to as large molecule drugs because of the complexity of their chemical makeup. The example in sentence is, so that's our biologic approach right now. The second one is clinical trial. Clinical trial is testing of an IND in human subjects. The example is, there is one particular clinical trial that had some success. The third is best price. Best price is a statutorily defined measure of a minimum price for drug products distributed to the retail class of trade that is used to determine set rebates. It measures the lowest price charged by manufacturers, net of discounts and rebates, or excluding certain nominal transactions and federal programs. Although it is reported by manufacturer to CMS, it is not publicly available. For example, in sentence, Hanover Union cuts at the best price in all of Christendom. The fourth is compounding. Compounding is practice in which a pharmacist combines, mixes, or alters ingredients of a drug to create a medication. The example in sentence is, compounding the danger in the appearance of a strange black sweet figure. The fifth is branded products. Branded products is a drug marketed under a brand name, typically refers to product approved under an NDA or BLA or ABLA. Third, products approved under an ANDA may be also be marketed with a brand name. The example in sentence, various companies to produce Hugo Boss branded products. The sixth is generic product. Generic product is a drug marketed under its chemical name. General refers to small molecule product approved by the FDA under an ANDA. The example in sentence is, using both the brand name product digestic and the generic product. The seventh is distributor. Distributor is similar to a wholesaler, but general doesn't manage indirect contracts and chargebacks or run search programs. The example in sentence is, distributor cap didn't fit. The eighth is formulary. Formulary is a list of covered drugs provided by a pharmacy benefit plan describing the level of coverage for each product and any limits, restrictions, or exclusions to that coverage. The example in sentence is, 2017 at the Wayback Machine British National Formulary, BNF, the 1690 edition. The ninth is label. Label is FDA required labeling provided with medicines. Provides prescribing information such as approved indications, contraindication, common side effects, and recommended dosing. The example in sentence is, it's expired. There's a warning right on the label. The 10th is pharmacodynamics. Pharmacodynamics is the study of the biochemical and the physiological effects of drugs and the mechanisms of their actions, including the correlation of their actions and effects with their chemical structures. The example in sentence is: there is a proven relationship between the pharmacodynamics and the pharmacokinetics at therapeutic doses. The 11th is pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics is the study of the movement of the drug in the body, including the process of absorption, distribution, and localization in tissues. The example in sentence is: or what a substance does to the body, and pharmacokinetics, or what the body does to the substance. The 12th is rebate. Rebate is a post-sale payment or discount that may take various forms in the supply chain for a drug. The example in sentence is: you will get a rebate. The 13th is step therapy. Step therapy is a formulary restriction that requires a patient to try and fail on one or more preferred products before a given product will be covered by the pharmacy benefit plan, also known as a fail, first, or step-edit restriction. The example in sentence is: it's a small step on the gene therapy journey, but each champions believe it could eventually have benefits for a great number of us. The 14th is wholesaler. Wholesaler is a wholesaler generally serves as an intermediary between drug manufacturers and hospitals, clinics, and pharmacies that purchase drugs. For example, it may provide logistical service, example, shipping and warehousing, and other services such as supplying data on purchasing to manufacturers and managing generic search programs. The example in sentence is: I found 2 new wholesalers we can use. And the 15th is detailing. Detailing is efforts by sales representative for drug manufacturers to educate prescribers about their products. The example in sentence is: in our work, timing and detailing is very important. I think that's all. I hope this video will help you understand some common pharmaceutical terms. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.